guys, we're out here with some tannerite. We're just going to try out a 2-pounder just for some practice on this little pond here. You want to say your name?
Blaine.
Blaine is with us. He's fucking dancing around back there. You don't know if he wants to.
Let's blow some shit up.
It's like November 5th and there's ice on the water. Alright, we're going to just see what'll happen. I got this hole that's like perfect. And Clay can hit it from up on top of that hill. We should get some water drainage. If not, we'll just make like a whole milk jug full and stuff it in somewhere. We're just gonna practice right now on this 2-pounder. I think I got it stirred up good enough. That's what we got right here. See what happens. There she is, boys. If Clay can hit that orange. Do you need me to clean it off some?
Yeah, I should be able to get it.
I hope so. That'll be perfect. Yeah. Quick for 2 pounds. That was pretty cool.
I didn't even hear my gun go off.
I don't even know if I pushed record. Holy shit. GoPro down. Holy shit. Hey, look at this hole, boys. That's only 2 pounds. I'd say she's gonna bust open now. Wow. Filling in, Clay. Jesus, it was like instantly. Say, click, click, boom! What do you think? Is that cool or what?
Yeah.
See, that silt goes way back there, but it's busted now. There ain't no stopping it now. Can you imagine if that whole 6 pounds is in there? Here it goes. Can you imagine if that whole 6 pounds is in there? Here it goes. Wow. That was pretty intense.
Yeah.
And I still got 4 pounds. She's gone now. Well, there she goes.
Look how thick that ice is.
Yeah, that's pretty thick for one night. I'd say the first go at it was pretty cool. And anything over 2 pounds probably better get back a little farther. It was raining. I got rained on a little bit.
There's pieces that flew over there.
Oh yeah, look at all the debris on the ice. I didn't even look at that. Clay's got a 4-inch log stuck inside of his truck. That's pretty cool. All right, guys, you have to let us know what you think about that. I'm gonna get some more. I got 4 pounds still, but we gotta find a big dam to use it on. Right now, everything's frozen solid, so I was like, hell with it. Let's put one in there and see what happens. Let's test it out. And now I'm kind of addicted already. That's all it takes is one time. That was easy. I can't believe that crater. You said, ready whenever. Boom!
I didn't even hear my gun go. I didn't even hear that.
That's exactly, oh my God. That's so much fun. But All the wood is back here, guys. That's all sealed up there. That was just going to erode away, and that's going to be the end of this spot. I have to come get an after video.
Look, ice is already cracking.
Man, that was pretty epic, actually. There's another one up there.
Sit down there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, debris. They're down there.